Hello everyone. Today the topic of my presentation is number system and its conversion. So these are contents. So first we have to know about what is number system. Number systems are the technique to represent numbers in the computer system architecture. Every value that you are saving or getting into from computer memory has a defined number system. Actually, the number system is defined as a system of writing to express numbers. It is a mathematical notation for representing numbers of a given set by using digits or other symbols in a consistent manner. Types of number system. There are generally 4 types of number system, including binary number system, hexadecimal number system, octal number system, and decimal number system. Here we have basis of number system. So first, binary number system have base 2, octal with base 8, decimal with base 10, and hexadecimal with base 16. And if we want to convert a value from one system to another, so we simply and generally multiply or divide the number with the base from which we want to convert. Next we have what is decimal number system. In the decimal number system, the numbers are represented with base 10. And it is also called the base 10 number system, which consists of 10 digits from 0 to 9. Here's a diagram which shows that my base is 10 and I use only 0 to 9. Uses of decimal number system. People use the decimal number system to perform arithmetic operations. And we use decimals every day while dealing with money, weight, length, etc. Decimal numbers are used in situations where more precision is required than the whole numbers can provide. Let's take an example that when we calculate our weight on the weighing machine, we do not always find the weight equal to a whole number on the scale. Main advantage of decimal number system is that this system is easy to read and easy to use by humans, and it is easy to manipulate. Let's take some examples of decimal number system. First example include 5621 into base 10. We simply multiply each digit with 10 into power n. Because position of every digit has a weight which is power of 10. Each position in the decimal system is 10 times more significant than the previous position, which means that numeric value of a decimal number is determined by multiplying each digit of the number by the value of the position in which the digit appears and then adding the products. There is one more example of decimal number system, 1234 into base 10. We simply multiply each digit with 10 into power n, and after multiplying and adding the products, we get answer 1234 into 10 power. Next we have octal number system. The octal number system is a base 8 number system. This system mainly uses digits from 0 to 7. Since base value of octal number system is 8, so there is maximum value of digit is 7 and it cannot be more than 7. Uses of octal number system. Octal became widely used in computing when systems such as UNIVAC 1050, PDP-8, ICL 1900 and IBM mainframes employed 6-byte, 12-byte, 24-byte or 36-byte words. Octal was an ideal abbreviation of binary for these machines because their word size is divisible by 3 and each octal digit represents 3 binary digits. Actually, octal number system can be made from binary numerals by grouping consecutive binary digits into groups of 3. by starting from right. Main advantage of octal number system is that it uses less digits than decimal and hexadecimal number system. But disadvantage of octal number system is that computer doesn't understand octal number system directly. So we need octal to binary converter for conversion. Now let's take some examples of octal number system. First example includes 611 into base 8. We simply multiply each digit with 8 into power n. In octal number system, position of every digit has a weight, which is power of 8. After multiplying and adding the products, we get 393 into base 8. There is one more example of base 8 of octal number system. Now we have conversion from decimal to octal conversion. Here is a table which shows decimal to octal conversion. Here is a table which shows the values of decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. Now question arises in our mind that how we convert decimal to octal. So steps for conversion include that write the given decimal number. And if the given decimal number is less than 8, the octal number is the same. But if the decimal number is greater than 7, then divide the number by 8. Next, note the remainder we get after division. And then repeat step 3 and 4 with the quotient till it is less than 8. Now, write the remainders in reverse orders from bottom to top. And the resultant is the octal number, the given decimal number. Now let's take some examples of conversion from decimal to octal. Convert 127 into base 10 to octal. So here is the examples with full explanation. So first we divide 127 by 8 and we get 15 quotient and 7 remainder. And then again divide 15 by 8 and we get 1 quotient and 7 remainder. Now divide 1 by 8 and we get 0 quotient and 1 remainder. And since the quotient is 0 now, no more division can be done. So by taking the remainders in reverse order, we get 177 into base 8. There is one more example of conversion. So convert 5 to 52 into base 10 to octal. Simply divide 52 by 8. We get 6 quotient and 4 remainder. Then again divide 6 by 8. We get 0 quotient and 6 remainder. Since the quotient is 0 now, no more division can be done. So by taking the remainders in reverse order, we get the equivalent octal number. Like 52 into base 10 is equal to now 64 into base 8. So by division by 8, we simply convert decimal to octal. Here is a table which shows the values which are form of the decimal number and octal number. Thanks for watching.